Okay, you watched long tutorials on EAT and how to use it to get good traffic on your site. But let's be honest, all you found were long boring lectures with no actual value. But don't worry, this video will be a no BS, straight to the point guide on what EAT is and how you can become Google's favorite child. It is how Google checks your content's quality to make sure it reaches the right people at the right time and gets the results you want. Experience means you've been there and done that, which helps Google trust you. Expertise means your content is written by someone who knows their stuff, and Google might even check your social media to confirm it. Google checks your brand's credibility through authoritativeness, looking at which high-performing websites mention your blogs and the quality of backlinks in your content. For trustworthiness, Google verifies that all the information in your content is accurate, including facts, numbers, links to sources, and even the author's bio. Alright, once you understand the concept, the next step is to make sure that your content is EAT optimized. Before I move on to the next part, this is not an ad. Since the video is about website, so I'm guessing you are running a website too. And if you are using WordPress, then you should definitely try this free speed plugin called Airlift. If you put your website URL here, it will boost your website speed up to 90%. Cool, right? So try it here and let me know if you like it. First, let's talk about creating an engaging author profile. Highlight your expertise, qualifications, and achievements to build trust with your readers. Google uses this information to ensure that you are a credible source. Your audience will also check out your social media profiles, so make sure to link your active social media account to your blogs and websites. The more you interlink, the more Google crawls them, increasing your EAT value. Guest blogging is another important aspect. Write high-quality guest posts that show deep industry knowledge, helping readers relate to their problems. Backlinks are crucial for credibility. Aim for high-quality backlinks to boost your ranking. After analyzing your backlinks, make sure your terms and conditions and contact us pages are clear and easy to understand. Include details like users' responsibilities, purchases, contact forms, email addresses, phone numbers, and response times. Next, focus on schema markup, the first thing that Google crawls. Here's a quick setup guide. Install the schema markup plugin in WordPress, install and activate it, and follow the steps in the How It Works section. From here, configure rich snippets for your posts, such as item review, and fill in the details. Once done, click Update and then View Post to see the results. Using real images on your website can connect deeply with users and provide proof of your products or services. Reviews and testimonials are also key. They build trust by showing others positive experiences with your brand. Focus on trending industry keywords. When users search for solutions, they are more likely to find content related to current trends. All these strategies are crucial for improving your EAT score and ranking higher. And that's it. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.